mountains. There's hundreds and hundreds of mountains.
Okay, I made this video 2 days ago, and since then I'm learning more about it, how to explain it, that is, and how I see it, and what the creation is. So I'm using something different. The movie Madagascar on Netflix is playing right now. Escape, they escaped from Africa. Madagascar 2. Well, to explain the fractal code and how Hollywood uses it to let the others know that is involved in their clique society, the 1%, the ones in charge that run everything. They're everywhere. It's the same ones all over, same society all over the world. One society. It's labels, and the label and the signature, and the thing is, it's everywhere. This planet was obviously if it wasn't created, it was at least recreated in an image of someone, or a lot of someone's. There's too many to name. But they're the ones that are in charge, the kings and the rulers. Those are their signature is on everything as one, and it's this fractal code I speak of. A fractal. We're humans are fractals. A fractal is a shape down from the smallest size. The word fractal, similar to the word God. God is a fractal. The word is. This is what, when you look at the Bible or any other religious book, if you look at it scientifically speaking, mathematically, you actually say what really fits. If it fits, it connects so well. You know you have something. This connects and fits so well. Here I show Machu Picchu.
TV shows.
I'll show Madagascar though. I'll show what I have right now. I'm just using a screen recorder and showing you what I'm doing. The video describes it better at first. Let's go to that. Here.
Mountains.
Okay, here's a great one. That one. Let's go back and play it again. Right here. This is the shape I talk of. There's more to it now. This is the first word here. This says King of Kings, Truth of Truth. X marks the spot. You follow this, makes a perfect 90-degree angle, right? And then the pyramid shape. And here, the bottom of this pyramid is where the location is. I'll show you on the Dead Sea Scrolls where the X marks the spot is. And I didn't go to much into this video. I'm just now making it, and I'm just producing it. So as I produce it, I'm just posting it, and then listen and watch myself as I go, sort of winging it and trying to do it in the fastest time possible. So I want to let you know what this is before I show you all of Madagascar.
There's hundreds and hundreds of mountains.
Very quick. The fractal code. That's
someone who there's a 20,000 year gap.
And then what it goes into, the selection that I have.
And it shows
it's fascinating. So we go into the Marilyn Monroe. I want to go to that detail here. See, the Hollywood cut the magazine out. This is not natural. I'm not saying that. I'm saying they went in and did this. It's the same shape. And their third eye is the X marks the spot. You get it? Okay. It's third eye location. See the X? Even. I'm trying to show you with these emojis, and because the emojis got the, where it came from. But let's go again.
God's wife.
Again. Come on. See, okay, here, right. The 3D image I speak of.
Way of doing it. Sometimes has a split in it.
Perspective. Yeah. Let's go
to that. There's God's wife.
And here. This is the perfect one. There's a straight line that goes down there. So this will be facing this direction, and this side facing, folded here, a box, a cube, and then let's see what the shape would look like more it's a cartoon. You gotta look at these shapes, the three-dimensional shapes, sort of
You
to
remember me,
see
man?
what is really there.
That's Shira, the hair.
Let's go to it quick. Okay, that's good. Now let's go to Madagascar. I'm not gonna name or title. We usually do that. Here, Judah, Alex's father, running to go get him. I'm going to talk about this show in reverse. See, the same shape, and he's heading, and you can see the path here. See, to the center, to the treasure, to Alex, his son. See that? Pretty neat, yeah. Okay, eaten by the gods. We're going backwards. They're talking about the ones, the volcano. The volcano is the god because it's the shape of the volcano. It's a godly shape. And he had given him his crown up for Alex because he was going to get banned. No longer Alpha Lion. And here it says it. See, a better one is on this image here. The word Alpha Lion King. That's what these words mean. They're all King of Lions. This is the rule of the jungle. Things like that. So let's go to Madagascar. It's good. It's pretty good. Madagascar too. I like it. It's good. Makes me want to watch the first one. I think that's why they did that. Pretty screwed up, yeah. But it's pretty good. Let's do this again. And you can see, in his main, it's the fractal code being separated. I wanted to show you this, hopefully understanding it. Okay, see the angle here can be separated to speak to a higher level of understanding in the Mason scale, such as the 33rd degree. It's a level of knowledge. To obtain it, you either got to learn it or be told, and hope you know you're right when you learn it. And the only way you can do that is to learn this language. And it's all fractal, and it can be separated as long as it follows certain rules where it's located on, such as the screen. Like it's mostly here or here for the arch, and for the angles, then it's a fractal piece like Van Gogh's work, and if you put it together, you can see what it really is by looking at each layer he put on there. Such as, the fractals in the hand, see? It's very, I can only zoom in so far, but they match. They're both kings. See? King of Kings. His home. Do you see? This goes with that last video. I'm trying to improve and explain what it is more. You can use, a particle accelerator. Talking about that. The particles are fractals. The word God itself, you take it and put the word fractal, God makes sense. If you can make sense of something, then wow, you changed perspective and reality. Make it more real. Just as powerful. Because it's cool. That's what I'm saying. So I hope you can hear me too. I'm got a cold. No, let's go back to Madagascar. Really. See, Alakai goes by his name, the king, Zuba. It mentions the king. So, King Zuba. Making sense yet? This word is now there's other words that are here. Power. See this right here, check. And it goes like that. Then there's another one here, a little small one. Same angles, okay? And it can be different area. Well, just take it like that first. And that means power. That means there's some shit there. There's power. Like power of the king, power of the word, something old. Because it's going to be ancient. And use them. X marks the spot. Use what I showed you. Share this with people. Tell them, hey, I mean, it is in every freaking thing in the world that's important, and everything's important. Everybody has a religious area close to them. The native religious areas, such as here in America. I'm Cherokee and Scottish, and I don't freaking know. I don't care really about a lot of things like that, but I love the history and the heritage and the people. And the other things is this to me, the fractal, what's real. And when I can read this and they're talking to each other, I'm going to assume that they're trying to tell the truth and document it in it as an enigma, so future people can go back and do what I'm doing now with it and teach someone that's into that. Fascinating thing is, I was taught by my grandmother when I was a little boy, and it stuck with me because I didn't know what to think, and neither did she. It was just passed down, and I don't claim anything. I do know her father was an evangelist that rode around on horse and buggy preaching. I knew that. I'm not saying I'm religious, by the way, either. I see things for what they are, and I cannot say that much more because then it comes off sounding like something I'm not. That takes time. I'm getting better at this, I think. So, tell me what you think. Like, you get it. The fractal, the God code, the creation code, it can be used for healing the body, the soul, the mind. It's the vibrational God code, which is a level of healing also. It's a level, a fractal level. The fractal code, the God code. The God particle, the God code. Particle, God, black hole. That's what it is. Singularity. Have something to do with it also, but that's Einstein's theory, putting all these tools together, like in this video. A portal can be opened using enough power in a particle accelerator to create the chemicals, or the God particle to rip a hole in space, and using these fractals for a shape, as a surgeon would cut down a scalpel, to cut into someone. Well, you can cut through space like that using this and those powers, and like a black hole power. That's infinity of mass and infinite density. It's like it's infinite, and then it's more than infinite. It's like there's more to it than that. It changes around when density and mass hit infinite, both. Then there's something else there that goes past both of them. That's the thing. It's like infinite, and then there's more than infinite, or is it just more of infinite? Can it be more of more infinite? Yes, it can be. And that's the black hole. When it gets a certain size, it's like, okay. Then it starts to tear through holes, is why. And that's where the math changes. It's hard to understand those algorithms because they're new. But when you tear through a hole through space using it, you can figure it out pretty quick. Because it's got to go somewhere. And if you can hold it stable with enough power and the right algorithm, which is the fractal algorithm, fractal coding, computer coding, visual coding, screen coding, binary, hexadecimal, 1 2 1 2 3 3 2 1 3 6 9 48 prime numbers, no prime numbers below. Well, I get ahead of myself somewhat, but I hope you understand. I gotta find the button here. Yeah.